Hey and welcome. I have exciting news. Attio Forms is now in beta, and today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to get started. Let's get into it. If I go over here to Attio Forms, I'm going to click Connect with Attio. This is going to bring up the OAuth. I'm going to select my workspace. I'm going to confirm here. I'm going to go ahead and create a new form. I'm going to select list, not object, because I want to build it off the list intake form. And I can title this intake form 2. We can go ahead and save the form. I'm gonna deactivate all and then just reactivate the specific items that I want on this list. I'll save again. And then if we hide the inactive ones just to clean it up a little bit here, now I can select the company because we want to actually create a company if it doesn't exist. We can click add section. And then I can show inactive, and down here I can now select the domain and name of the company, and I'll save that, hide these, then I can move these up. And now what I can actually do is I can click into the company record reference here, and I can select link section, and then I can just select the company object. So it's automatically going to take the value from here once it creates or updates this company and associate it to this person. Now that I have that here, I can make this not visible because I don't need to see this since it's going to get filled from these two. I can go ahead and click save form. I can publish the form, and then I can go to this form. I can fill this form out now. So if I go ahead and click submit here, now this is submitted. We can jump back over to Attio. We can see that this person is now here. I can click on the person and see that this person was just created. So forms just created now. And if I go back, we can see here is the single attribute on the list. And then the company is also here. Notice that the company has been existing. So because the domain, which is a unique identifier here, matched, we did not create a new company. We reused the existing company. If we come back to the form here, you can see there's a lot of other options. Like we can embed this form. We can actually choose what theme we want this form. We can change the success message or the submit. If you go into the specific properties or attributes here, you can add custom labels, you could do conditionals, or you could also do answer piping if you wanted to have some specific answer from a previous question get piped in. You can do that here as well. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any feature requests or support issues, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm so looking forward to see how this improves your data workflow.